lovely people, welcome back to Homemade Recipe and Lifestyle. My name is Lola and you're welcome to my channel. In today's recipe, I will be sharing with you guys how to make this healthy swallow. This is sweet potatoes and plantains swallow. Swallow is also known as fufu, and this is very healthy and perfect for everyone who is watching their weight. If you are on diet, you want to eat swallow but you don't want to add weight, this swallow is just for you. Please guys, let's start it. So the first ingredient that you will need is sweet potatoes, and the second ingredient is plantains. I'll be using just two ingredients to make this healthy swallow, and I will start by peeling the potatoes skin. I'm using British sweet potato. This potato is very healthy. I love it when I roast it, and my kids also love it as finger food as well. It's very nice. It's very sweet and healthy. I've already washed this potato with salt and water before peeling them. So once I finish peeling this, I will go ahead by cutting this into a blendable sizes by using my chopping board. If you are using a white chopping board, please, I will advise that you spray something on top of it, because this can stain white color chopping board, because I've tried on my white and chopping board before and it stained it, and it was very hard for me to clean. So once I finish cutting it, I will put them in a bowl. So you can see I have all my sweet potato ready, and I will set aside. Proceed to the next ingredient, which is the plantains. I'm using unripe plantains for this recipe. As we all know that unripe plantain is very good. It contains iron. It also boosts the immune system. It helps to lower blood pressure and also reduce weight as well. So plantain is very good. If you are a weight watcher, please consider plantains, especially if you are suffering from lack of iron in your system. Plantains is really good, because it really helps me. When I was pregnant, I was suffering from a lack of iron in my system during pregnancy, and this was recommended by one of my nurse. She was Africa though, but she asked me to consider plantains, and ever since then plantains has become one of my favorite food. So once I finish cutting the plantains, I will start by transferring everything to a blender. This process, if your blender is not strong, please add water to help your blender. I'm not going to add water to mine. I will just start by blending this, and I will start with the pause button of my blender first, and I will keep shaking this until everything is well blended. Or at this stage, I've added many potatoes to the plantains, and then I finished blending it. Once you get a smooth paste of these plantains and potatoes, you just transfer it into the pot. This is the first one, and I'll go ahead and blend the remaining one of the plantains and the potatoes. After pouring this into my pot, I will go ahead by stirring this on a low heat. You have to keep stirring this, because it might get lumps. If you don't want lumps in your swallow, do not remove your hand from this. I will start from low, then after some minutes I will move from low to medium heat. After about 5 minutes later, I used to prepare this swallow with oat flour before, but I decided to use plantains today because I don't have oat flour at home. I ran out of oat flour. So if you will love to see how I made this with oat flour, please leave a comment in the comment section so that I can make a separate video of that. Alright guys, after 8 minutes, this is what I achieved, and I will still keep stirring this until I get my desired texture. This swallow is kid friendly. Trust me, if you made this for your children, they are going to love it because it tastes sweet like a cake, like something that you add sugar into. It tastes so sweet. So I add water to the swallow and I allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will stir this again, then add a little bit of water to cook again for another 3 minutes. Then our swallow is ready. I will just add a little bit of water again just to cook it for another extra 3 minutes. So guys, 3 minutes later, this is ready, and this swallow is very smooth and stress-free. I don't feel so weak on my hands when I was turning this on fire, so it is very nice. Each time I ask my daughter, I tell my daughter like we will be taking swallow for dinner, she was like, "Mommy, please, can we have orange swallow? I love it so much. It's very sweet." They love this particular swallow. Oh my god! So I will be wrapping this with my cling film, and then we will be taking this with some vegetable soup. I make some vegetable soup. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and put on your bell icon so you don't miss any of my upload. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, please stay blessed.